Hello everyone, I'm back and I'm out for a walk right now because I'm going to forage some nettles to make nettle soup. You may be thinking that's a slightly random idea, but it's actually because after talking about foraging with my eldest brother the other night, I was inspired to go out and try it myself. I wouldn't recommend picking nettles with your bare hands, with the whole stinging thing, but I have with me my trusty nettle picking gauntlet. Or rather just a bog standard rubber glove used for cleaning. Hopefully it will be just as effective though. So the ingredients are incredibly cheap, it's just 18 pence altogether for one portion, and you could have a couple of slices of bread to make it go a bit further. Here we've got a 230 gram potato, 40 grams of onion, a stock cube, 16 mils of oil, and just pick as many nettles as you can find, but be careful not to get ones that dogs have weed on. Now these measurements aren't exact, you can kind of use as much as you like with making soups. Now we chop the ingredients up. I like to dice both the onion and the potato nice and small because it's easier to blend up and it cooks quicker as well. I've used a knife for peeling the potatoes, which is not something I usually do, but it's just for one less thing to wash, although it might take a bit more time. Also make sure to thoroughly wash the nettles so you get all that dog pee and dirt off. Now, after we've done that, we can start frying the onion. After they're fried, add the potatoes and the stock. When the potatoes are soft, you can start adding all the nettles. I also put some wild garlic in, but please don't put too much in, otherwise the toilet is going to be your best friend, since they have a sort of laxative property. After a little while, the nettles will have softened up, and if you want, you can add a little milk and blend it. Once again, it's a very lazy meal to clean up. There's only a few pots and it should only take you about half an hour or so. Now, how does it taste? Well, the stock cube was a little overpowering. Maybe I shouldn't have used a full one. And the texture is certainly interesting, but apart from that, it is pretty tasty and I would definitely recommend it. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And I'm thinking about making a video about a little electronics project that I'm working on. I'll try and get that out as soon as possible, but I can't promise anything. Alright, see you soon.